Hello everyone, I am Onkar Dikshit, working as an assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in Dnayan Shri Institute of Engineering and Technology, Satara. Today, I am presenting a topic which comes under environmental awareness, and topic is Euro emission standards in vehicle. The last topic was alternative fuels utilization in vehicles to reduce harmful effects on environment. Today, we will see what is Euro standard emissions and what are the progressive Euro standards. So, let's start. Euro emission standards. Euro emission standards define the limits of exhaust emissions from almost all type of vehicles, such as cars, two-wheelers, heavy vehicles, etc. Euro emission standards were first introduced in 1992 in Europe. Until now 6 stages of Euro standards have been implemented. The Euro standards regulate emissions of nitrogen oxides, NOx, hydrocarbons, HC, carbon monoxide, CO, particulate matter, PM, and particle numbers, PN, by technological upgradation of vehicles, as well as of fuel. There are separate regulations for light vehicles, fewer than 3.5 tons, and heavy-duty vehicles. India has introduced its first emission standards in 1991, but India's first emission standards equivalent to Euro 1, called BS1, has been implemented in 2000 in limited cities after SC ruling in 1999 to implement Euro 1 by 2000. In 2003, BS2 was adopted in 13 cities and adopted nationwide by 2005. First National Auto Fuel Policy was adopted in 2003 on recommendation of Mashelkar Committee, 2002. Auto Fuel Policy, 2003, was implemented in 2005 and BS3 introduced in 13 major cities of India and put into practice in entire nation by 2010. In 2012, Soumitra Committee was formed to draft Auto Fuel Policy, 2025. As per Soumitra Committee recommendations, entire country has to be covered with Euro 4 or BS4 emission standards by 2014. But till now, Euro 4 is applicable in 13 major cities only and Euro 3 in rest of the nation. Now the BS4 to be implemented by 2017 in entire country in phased manner. Further, Soumitra Committee recommended to implement BS5 and BS6 in entire nation by 2022 and 2024, respectively. But recently, government decided to skip Euro 6 and directly jump to Euro 6, BS6, standards by the 1st of April 2020. Challenges in implementing BSV and VI. In India, where small cars are preferred, fitting cylinders under DPF or SCR technology might not be feasible or viable for companies. Further, high temperature condition in DPF technology need to be tested up to a satisfactory level, which may take 4 to 5 years, otherwise diesel engine can catch fire. For BS6, an anti-defect mechanism has to set up to ensure filling of DEF, and vehicle shall go in limp mode if DEF is not refilled by driver. The optimization of this technology may take 4 to 5 years. Oil companies have to establish large number of infrastructure for easy and regular supply of DEF to all customers. Automobile companies proposed for testing both BS5 and 6 on vehicles rather than skipping BS5 altogether.